Hi, my wife and I, Mabel and Robert Oliva, we are the new owners of the lift, and I have to say a few things about it. And we did some little research to see what was available in this for us. We wouldn't plan to need it, but eventually we will need it. We're getting up in age. Anyway, so I got in touch with a few companies to sell elevators, and I ended up choosing Nibav. Anyway, once two of the people told me so they're gonna be here, it was like being in the Air Force, which I was in the past. It was one after the other. Everything they said, it was done, and it was done properly. The packing of this unit, it was incredible how it was packed. And I know about packing because I used to have a business with I ship parts around the United States, and I know what packing is. It was incredible how it was packed. The guys who installed this, they were incredible employees from you guys. I mean, whatever they say they're gonna do, they did it, and they really worked hard at it. Excellent, excellent workers. We are happy we bought this unit, and most of them is the people who are surrounded by this company have incredible, incredible workers. So far we are happy with the unit. It's quiet, it's efficient, we like it. Very professional people, very knowledgeable people, and so far we are happy.